In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI on Slack, meeting notes and transcripts. We'll connect Otter to Slack, choose where your notes appear, link your calendar and meeting tools, and make sure your team gets clear, actionable summaries right in Slack. Start by signing in to Otter.ai. In your account, open Settings, then Apps and Integrations. Search for Slack, select it, and click Connect Slack. Choose the Slack workspace you want to use and click Allow to grant permissions. Once that's done, Otter is linked to Slack and ready to post updates on your behalf. If you don't see the right workspace, you may need approval from an admin. Next, decide where Otter should post in Slack. In Otter's settings, set a default channel, such as a dedicated hashtag meeting notes or hash Otter meetings channel, so everything stays organized. If you prefer, you can have Otter send direct messages to meeting participants instead. You can also choose whether notes are shared automatically after each meeting or only after you review and approve them. A dedicated channel plus approval is a great balance of visibility and control. Now connect Otter to your calendar and meeting platforms. Go to My Account, then Integrations, and connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. Link the video platforms your team uses, like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, and enable auto-join meetings. With this on, Otter will automatically join scheduled calls so you don't have to remember to start it. When a meeting starts, Otter joins as a participant, records audio, transcribes in real time, identifies speakers, and captures key points. You don't need to click anything during the call. Always make sure participants know the meeting is being recorded to respect privacy and compliance expectations. After the meeting ends, look for a Slack message in your chosen channel or DMs. You'll see a concise meeting summary, key action items, speaker highlights, and a link to the full transcript and audio. For example, you might see a summary of goals discussed, a blocker identified, and an action item for a teammate to update documentation by a specific date. Click the link to review in Otter. You can edit the transcript, fix names or terminology, highlight important sections, assign action items, add comments, and share notes with others. Any changes stay linked back to Slack, so your team always sees the latest version. To level up your notes, use Otter's auto summary, action item detection, keyword search, AI chat to answer questions like what decisions were made, and highlights with timestamps to jump to key moments. Finally, manage privacy and permissions. Choose which meetings Otter can join, limit which Slack channels receive notes, control who can view transcripts, and disable recording for sensitive conversations. With these settings in place, you'll capture better notes while keeping information secure.